guys, today I'm visiting India to make a dish, roti we know it in Jamaica, also called chapati. Bust up your shot with some curried chickpea. Chickpea curry originated in the Indian subcontinent. So follow on the screen and you will see all the ingredients that I use. 4 cups flour, salt, a little sugar, and I'll be using ghee, and I used some warm milk. All my ingredients are listed on the channel. Today I'm in India prepping a full meal which includes chapati, dal puree, whatever you choose to call it, with some chickpea curry or curried chickpea. Once I gather all my ingredients together, I use my warm milk to make this, and you want to make sure that your dough is like really soft. It should be sticking in your bowl. Then I added a little olive oil on this. Then I added a little piece of damp paper towel on top of the dough. This is optional. You can just cover. Then I added some saran wrap. I'll be leaving this dough to sit for at least, I would say, 2 hours. Baking powder was also included. Watch the screen, pause the video, and you will see all the ingredients that I use. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly and I love to cook. This is my happy place, and I am Jamaican, and I will be traveling to other continents to prep a meal each week. So I'll be using the tin chickpea, and I gather together my onions, bell pepper, garlic, and I'll be using some turmeric in my oil and curry alongside some ginger, because spices is a must. Once I added my olive oil, I added a little curry in this, and I allow my curry to burn a little with turmeric and ginger beaten. Then I will add in all my seasonings. Here you go. I added in all my onion, my bell pepper, my garlic, and I allow this to saute for a quick minute, because remember, the garbanzo bean or whatever you call it, chickpea, it is already cooked. I opened my tin, and of course your girl has to wash off that liquid or whatever it was soaking in. I had to wash my beans off. That's my business. I don't care what you want to say. I pour the liquid off and then I wash. For all the seasons that I use, you can also pause my video and watch on my screen. A full Indian dish from start to finish. I added me a little Himalayan salt, hint black pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and a little chicken bouillon to help add flavor. And I added me some pepper, which was not or is not too spicy, and I just mixed this in. To base this, I added room temperature water in this. I did not use any chicken broth or beef broth in this. The chicken bouillon and the water was what I am using, and it will give this the little taste and flavor that I want. Tip as much water as you want, and can't forget a little coconut milk. So this is chickpea curried or curried chickpea in coconut milk. And once I buy my coconut, I normally freeze it. That's the reason why you're seeing it look frozen. So yes, I added me some frozen coconut milk to my chickpea curry. And this Indian dish is a household for Indians and also Jamaicans. But this series is called Going to Another Country and Taking Their Dishes and Trying to Make It a little slash Jamaican American, trying to make it my own. Look at my curry chickpea in coconut milk, or my chickpea curry. Now to the hard work. I clean my counter off because I want a flat space. So I bleach my counter, wipe it off, and then I use paper towel to dry this. It's clean and I know it's in my home, but your girl love to clean. I took my dough out and I cut my dough in 4 because I'll be making 4 bust up your shot, 4 roti, 4 dal puri, whatever you call it, chapati, whatever you choose to call it. Then I use my rolling pin. I add additional flour, use my rolling pin to roll this out. Once I roll this out for at least a 5 to 10 minutes, yes, on either side, I will coat with a little ghee and then I will wrap in a cone. This is a long process. It's time consuming. However, I'm putting the work in. So I sliced this and then I added some ghee, which is already melted, on this, and then you can watch how I fold this. The folding helps with giving this different layers when you're ready to do this on your stovetop. I don't have an outside area to do this or the pot that the Indian use, so why not make this my own by using my pot? Then once I made that little scone or cone, then I just knead this in a little round ball, and then I added additional ghee on top of this. And I forgot to show the process. Once I finished rolling these, I left them for another 3 hours to rise. So just showing you again how I beat this out. You want to make sure the edges are like really flat. Beat this out, turn this on the other side. It's a long process, but I can guarantee you, you will enjoy this. It's a lot of work, but your girl is working to get somewhere. Come with me as I make it to India today. I hope you saw my video last week. Yes, I did a video based on the UK, so please make sure you go check that out. I did shepherd's pie, Jamaican style with curried goat. And then see, that was broken, and then I just use my rolling pin to roll this. If you don't have a rolling pin, run for a bottle or anything that's flat that can help to flatten this. Once done, I just add ghee on it, and then you want to just roll. At this point, I am about ready to go eat my pot and to start the whole process after having this soaked out or there for at least 4 minutes. You want to add this in, and for me, I allowed each side to stay for, I would say, a few seconds. See, it has little brown spots on it. Once you see it start bubbling, feel free to switch this over. This is also optional. I use a wooden spoon because I don't have what the Indians use to help to bust this up, as we would call it in Jamaica, to like break this up. So I used a wooden spoon to help to flatten this, and then I'll be using my hand as you see, and I did 2 process where I'll show you 2 different ones. This is the bust up your shot one, where this one you use a wooden spoon or your hands to get this flaky, and this is what it looks like. So this is the bust up your shot, and then the other one I just did it regular. So I'll show you them both once I finished and I was ready to share them or serve them as dinner. So this is the one, the bust up your shot, which is the one broken up with my chickpea curried and a little plantain on the side, and this was my dinner. This is the bust up your shot, chapati, whatever you choose to call it. And then this one is one that I did not break up. I just served this to show you It can be done either way. Chapati, whatever you choose to call it, dal puri. Thank you guys for following me to India today to make this Indian cultural meal. Dal puri, chapati, bust up your shot, whatever you want to call it, with some chickpea curry. And you girls showing you I enjoyed my meal. I do hope that you too will enjoy this video. And guys, please give the video some likes. Don't be mean with it. It's free to just give the little finger button, just a little press. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to see which country I'll be going next. If you're Indian, don't come for me. Love you guys. See you soon.